slow it down for me. While on my grind, don't wait around for me. Just be loyal while the money flow. Just be loyal while the money flow. Slow it down for me. While on my grind, don't wait around for me. Just be loyal while the money flow. Just be loyal while the money flow.
What it do, BB fam?
What's up, BB world?
Man, what y'all got going, man? Hey, babe, what we got going, man?
We got story time.
Story time?
Yes, story time.
Man, these folks, do y'all want to know about a story that we got to share? Belma and Bria.
Y'all
Are
want to
y'all
know.
interested in the story that we got just for y'all?
Just for y'all.
I don't think they're ready, though.
You don't think they're ready?
I don't think they're ready.
I don't know. They better get ready. Because this is one story for y'all. Boy. What is it?
So, I see you about to ask me
Yeah,
what I'm about to ask you, because I'm about to ask you what you about to ask me, and then...
We was about to ask each other.
So we about to ask y'all what the story is.
What is the story?
What's the story?
What's the story? Well, the story is about how we got our first car as a married couple. First car as a married couple.
As a union.
Yeah.
As a young,
Yeah.
black, successful couple. You're. Hey man, but look man, so that's what it do, man. This is about our first car, man. We went through a whole lot to get this car. You know what I mean? Like y'all don't even understand like what we done been through before purchasing the car. Like we went through a lot before that.
A whole lot.
You know what I mean?
Before the
And
car.
we ain't talking about as far as our relationship, cause our relationship like you know what I'm saying? Like locked in. Shit, we did what I'm saying.
You feel me?
Or no. So, you know what I mean? So just, you know, going through life, man. But anyway, man, nevertheless, man, we got a little twist to the story. We got a little tornado, hurricane, you know what I mean, typhoon with our story time. It's a little different.
It's a little different. Yeah.
A little different.
It's a little different.
So BB fam, BB world, instead of us telling y'all,
you know, we ain't gonna tell y'all.
we ain't gonna tell you.
You know?
You gonna have to tune in next week. Nah.
Next week?
I'm just messing with them. But look, instead of us telling y'all, man, how about y'all see for y'allself, man? You know, we got something special for y'all coming up. You know what I mean? So, let's get it!
Yeah.
Who Camaro is gonna be?
Man.
Who's?
Man.
We finna go get what?
Bria, I'm about to go get a Camaro.
Y'all know what it is.
Camaro?
BB World, BB Fam.
I'm about to get a
Hey.
Camaro.
Smash that like button, man. If y'all want to go on and travel with us, we gotta go 3.5 hours to go and get this car for her.
I'm about to get a Camaro.
3.5 hours, man. That's a long ride. So if y'all want to join the ride, man, smash that like button. Subscribe right now. Ding, 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 ding. Ding! Hit that bell, man, so every time we post, y'all get a notification, man. Like I said, we're here to inspire each other. I'm here to inspire you to inspire me. And that's what we doing, man. Hey, the wife already know what's up, man. We getting ready right now. I'm already ready, as you can tell. You know what I mean? I'm always ready. I'm always ready. You know what I mean? Your boy always ready. Always ready and fly. And I'm always waiting on her. So we just now leaving the bank, y'all. We just now leaving the bank. She done bust out crying on me. I wish I could have got the whole shebang of everything, you know what I mean? But guess what, man?
Yeah, I'm finna get my white Camaro.
You finna get your white Camaro? I mean, it's gonna get painted, but
yeah, it's gonna get painted, but I'm finna get my Camaro.
Wait, bro. We ain't even made it to the car yet. We still gotta drive 3.5 hours. We gotta go get this rental car right now. So that's what we about to head to. Go get the rental car at the Memphis airport, and then we headed out to Nashville. But look, man, My wife is crying, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand how much we done been through. You know what I mean? As far as trying to elevate in life and get the things we want, man. And God just blessing us. So, with that being said, man, we finna head out. We finna look at this rental car. We'll catch y'all. BB World, BB Fam. She got the check. She got all her paperwork for the car loan and all that. So, we headed out, y'all.
And a car, I asked, you know what I'm saying, when we at the airport, because we been looking for a car to leave and hit the road, but ain't nobody had no cars. They ain't had no cars on no lots for us to get in.
No cars, bro.
I done called all over town. No cars.
Hey, them shoes fry. They ain't fly, but they fire and fly together. They fry.
They fry.
Them things fry.
Okay. They fry. Word. So, like I said, you know, but now we done got to one spot out of the whole big city that got cars. And it's the airport. They gotta have cars. They got to.
What if they don't, though?
But they do, though.
I don't want to put that in the existence.
Airport,
but
you got people that's trying to go places. They gotta have cars.
But what if they don't, though?
But they are.
But what if they don't, though?
Girl, I'm gonna have to go in here. Y'all gonna see me cut it.
Bro, y'all don't want to see the queen cut up, bro. That ain't what y'all want to see.
I'm gonna have to put up on you.
Come on, nigga.
I'm not gonna put it. Got the camera going.
Oh, well, catch up. I'm trying to get on the elevator. Alright, y'all, but we about to get on this elevator. Yeah. And then we gonna holler at y'all, babe. First floor, babe.
First floor?
Yeah. We out here. Memphis Airport. Heading to this rental place, man. You know what I mean? Random people. That nigga is so random right now. He is just over there and nowhere. Why is that nigga standing right there? Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh yeah, they got all the runners right here. Ha. Alright. So we're gonna try and practice. That's what we rocks with. It's good. That's up to you. What you trying to do? Yeah, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
We need to get a vehicle.
Okay, we are sold out for
Well, we
that.
called and everything and drove way up here.
Yeah, the reservation line always tells people that we have cars, but we don't have any cars right now.
So nobody here has cars or just y'all?
I don't know about the other companies, but Enterprise, National, and Alamo don't have any vehicles.
You and Alamo.
Enterprise, National, and Alamo.
So what about them?
I do not know if they have any.
Oh. What's going on today? Why everybody want rental cars?
And Isabel Business Street.
God. How you doing? Y'all have any rentals available? Y'all out too? Bruh.
No, hold on. Let's try Alamo. Can we try Alamo?
Nah, she said they sold out. And National sold out. So I'm gonna go back this way and go over there. Man, we're gonna see what budget talking about, man. Cause we're gonna, hey, I'm trying to. Are y'all sold out too? BB World, BB Fam. It's finna get real, man. It's finna be real, man. These folks ain't got no rental car, bro. Like, Y'all sold out too? And we done drove way out here, bro. We gonna get this car today, bro. So, all them folks sold out, man. You might well. I mean, we could try them, but if everybody here sold out, I'm sure they sold out. Yeah. Bruh, these folk out here sold out, bruh. We gonna make it work, man. We done went through too much today not to make it work. For real. For real. For real. It's gonna work, y'all. We're gonna have to find a way to make it work, y'all. But look, we're gonna find out what's up with this last spot, man. We're gonna be back with y'all. You know what I mean? Hey, we on a new car hunt, man. We on a new car wave. We get a new car. We're gonna do it right now. You know what I mean? Don't look so sad, yo. Hey, hit that like button. If you think we're gonna get a run-up car and we're gonna make it to get the car today. If you think we're gonna make it to get the car today, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, ding, 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 ding. So every time we post, you get a notification. All right, BB World, BB Fam, we love you. Stay rich.
Who am I? Say, Mama.
I'm in a U-Haul. I'm in a U-Haul.
Alexa,
Nigga, we make it happen. It wasn't no car. Nowhere. BB Push. Nowhere. All in Memphis. The whole city of Memphis, they have no rental cars. And not one country. Not one. I'm mad. You gonna make it happen. Ain't that right, back? Ain't that right? We gonna make it happen. They try to throw a little salt, you know what I'm saying? Getting the U-Haul, but I still got it. We still got it. We still got it. You dig it? So, yeah, we in the U-Haul. To go get this car. We ain't playing no games. We ain't playing no games. Alright, be cool. What's up? Peace. Yo, what it do, man?
We in a U-Haul to go get a Camaro, bro. We are in a U-Haul. We in a goddamn U-Haul, bro.
What we?
We in a goddamn U-Haul, bro. We in a U-Haul, bro. A U-Haul, my nigga.
Look at this
We in a U-Haul, my nigga. To go get a Camaro, bro.
Bruh, it's been real today.
It's been extra real. What niggas you know rent a U-Haul, bro? We rented a U-Haul, bro. Ain't nothing in the back of this mug, bro. Everything I love. Ain't nothing back there, bro.
Ain't nothing back there. Well, you know you can't see that part
Ain't nothing
anyway,
back there
but
but space opportunity, bro. The little horse.
we could have took some Mexicans to where they want to go.
Yeah. We could have picked up everybody on the way down that way.
Let them sit in the back. Get a free ride to Nashville.
But we paid a lot more than we would have for a rental.
Man, what you said?
But they ain't have no rental. The city of Memphis and surrounding areas had no rentals, bro.
Hey, for real?
No rentals, bro.
For real, though.
Hey, it look dope right here, though.
Yeah, the
That'd be scary to fall down off that, though, on that thing.
We on this road.
But we in a U-Haul, headed to Nashville. We're going to get
That's what y'all can see. That's a U-Haul, man. You see that butt back there?
We had to get a U-Haul, bro.
That butt back there, though.
Hey, who idea was this, though?
It was my idea.
Hey, that's a smart idea.
I know.
We ain't had no other way, my dog, and it's 3.5 hours. Ain't no Uber gonna take you 3.5 hours away.
Nah, ain't no Uber gonna take you that far. Nigga, you come call like Uber if you want to.
My baby said, we can go and get a U-Haul. I said, yeah, girl. That's good thinking.
I know it's good thinking, wouldn't it?
And now we in this mother today.
And this nigga rolling.
I'm rolling, you hear me? Hey, that's dope.
Oh,
18 wheeler in the way. Crossing the bridge. Oh,
Look.
man. Y'all feel the turbulence through the
Hey,
camera.
BB World, BB Fam, man. We really out here thugging, bro.
Yeah,
We really out here thugging, yo. So I need y'all to smash that like button, subscribe,
Yes,
hit that
comment,
bell, man. Hey, let us know what y'all think about this, bro. Let us know what y'all think about us renting a U-Haul because we could not get a rental car nowhere. So what do you think about us renting a U-Haul to go and purchase our new vehicle today? Let us know what y'all think. Would y'all do this?
Would you do it?
And mind you, we had to take off work today, right?
Yeah,
So we had to do it today, right?
right,
Comment, let us know.
right.
So what do you do?
I am a school teacher.
All right. Got a little girl, that's her. She's 13 now, not so little.
I ain't gonna put Mr. Bo on there, man.
Hello.
Right there.
Okay.
That's the Camaro, man. That's what we had to drive the U-Haul out here for.
We had to
BB
get
World, BB Fam.
That sucked. Y'all couldn't find a rental car?
Nowhere.
That's just
Nowhere.
crazy. That's the craziest thing I ever heard in my life.
Me too. And it's the
You
weekday.
want a sign right there, and I mean print right there and sign right there. I've never heard of such.
Yeah, it's crazy. We went to the airport, everywhere. Nobody had anything. But we here now. Wasn't nothing gonna stop us.
Oh, I didn't know. So many people call and check me around, dude.
Nah.
Guys, they really do. You would, but don't we put up with so much crap, Joel? Don't we? People giving us all kind of bull crap. They do. You never know who to believe.
That's why we deserve a full tank of gas, because I wasn't
I'm gonna give
playing.
you some gas
I bet you
money.
said
wasn't
when he
playing.
was coming in the U-Haul, he was like, "No, please, you said I'm coming in."
Yeah, I seen everybody looking like he wasn't playing.
Actually, pulled over the U-Haul. Yes, we did.
He wasn't playing. No, I wasn't playing. That's
Here,
a,
I'll give you $15 more worth.
I'll take that.
All got is 100. I ain't giving you
oh,
that.
you gave me 35 more.
I don't know why he didn't fill it up.
Huh?
You gave me 35 more.
Here, I just give him some
No,
gas.
don't worry, I won't fill it up.
Alright.
Where's the key?
The wife got it.
Yeah, it should be.
Just right
Yeah.
there, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
She's a big.
Boy, she in the Chevy now, boy. Hold on, let me get her. We got it. It's over. We about to go drop the U-Haul off, man. And we going home. And my Camaro. Thank you, God. Hey, y'all got to thank God. Hey, look here, BB World, BB Fam. For everything y'all get, man, y'all got to thank God, bruh. Because you ain't do it by yourself. You hear me? You ain't do it by yourself. Thank God. That's the Camaro we drove 3.5 hours to come and get this. Cause they ain't had no rental car. We had to drive that to come get this. Now I gotta put gas in that so we can go home in this. Ha! I got 100. You happy?
After can't even describe me right now.
Oh, I'm fine, sir. Thank you, though. Alright, man. So, we got the car. That's a plus. Now we out to eat, man. We out here at Cheddar's, man, in Nashville, Hendersonville, whatever it's called. But anyway, man, we just enjoying the moment, man. You know what I mean? Y'all get the chance to eat with me and the Queen, man. BB Fam, BB World. Here we go. I want you all to myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. Baby girl, I'm selfish, yeah. BB World, BB Fam, Cheddar. Where we are.
Do we still need a few minutes to order over, guys? We're ready.
I'm gonna get the ultimate nacho
Beef chicken or half
beef.
and then everything on those nachos okay for you?
No pico de gallo.
No pico?
No beef.
No pico on the nachos. And for you, sir?
Yeah, let me get the top sirloin steak.
Steak and shrimp. How would you like your steak?
Well done.
Well done. And then fried or grilled shrimp.
I'll do grilled.
Grilled and then 2 sides for you.
Oh.
They're on the back and top left. If you want to look at
I get mac and cheese for that. BB World, BB fam, we out here, man. We out here. Hey, smash that like button, hit subscribe, hit that bell, ding, ding, ding.
Comment.
Get the notifications, man. Comment. It's been a long day. And y'all been with us all day.
All day.
But we're ordering food, so I don't want to be rude.
And then one more side for you.
I thought macaroni and cheese for both.
Oh, you want mac and cheese for both? I'll get that in for you guys.
Mac and cheese, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, though.
Can't get it. Oh, yeah.
They got cartoons on in here. Oh, hold on, wait a minute.
Oh my God, what is that?
What is that?
What is that?
What is
What
that?
is that? Oh, what is that?
Hold on, turn around.
Is that? Oh,
Oh,
what that is?
oh,
Is that what that is? That is exactly what it is.
oh my goodness.
Oh, my goodness. I got 100. But alright, BB World, we finna eat, man. We about to be out, man. We'll catch y'all when the food get here. You know what I mean? Until then.
Hey, do it again.
Hey, BB World, BB fam. We still ain't got our food yet. But that's a face of gratefulness, man. Bria is grateful, man. I'm grateful. Y'all don't understand how long we've been working to get what we want in life, bro. And what it is we trying to do in life, bro. It ain't easy, bro. You gotta work hard for what you want. You gotta go through trials and tribulations, man. The face of gratefulness. Be grateful, man. Whatever y'all gain in life, man, be grateful for it, man. All blessings. Be grateful, Bria. Tell BB World, BB fam, be grateful, man.
Yeah, I'm real grateful. I ain't stop crying.
That's what's up, man. I just had to show y'all, man. You know, it's really what we work hard for, man. We work hard for this. You know what I mean? We work hard for these kids, man. And we got an awesome deal on it too, man. So anything is possible, man. Y'all can do anything y'all want to do. They gotta keep faith and keep driving.
Anything is possible.
Where's my food? We still ain't got our food.
Yeah, we still ain't got our food yet. I'm home. Yeah,
Stop crying, babe. You got the car now. Ain't no need to cry now. And then there go the food right there.
Alright, we got our nachos. Stay here.
Bye. Alright, BB World, we finna eat, man. Finna enjoy this. A1?
A1?
Yeah. I don't even know what 57 is. What is 57? But hey, man, we finna get in this plate, man. We finna eat.
Come here,
Alright, man. We out, BB World, BB fam. Hey, hit that like button, man. If this looks good, man. Comment. Let us know what our food look like, man. You know what I mean? We celebrating our hard work, man. So we finna eat. Forget all the other stuff. I'm not finna hold the camera and eat at the same time. So y'all gonna miss this part. But we love y'all. continue to be inspired. Inspire us to inspire y'all. Why she looking like that though?
I just taste like sausage.
Oh, you should have told them no sausage. Hey, y'all, we don't eat pork. So, hey, excuse us. Is it pork in the nachos? It's pork?
It's beef.
It's beef? Okay.
The peppers.
Yeah, the little red peppers, I think, that's already, or maybe tomatoes. I think it's tomatoes.
I'm just eating the meat and I was trying to make sure it was sausage.
Yeah, no, there's no sausage.
Okay.
That should be anything else over here right now?
Nah, we're fine.
I'm just out eat pork. There ain't no pork. But that's what's up, y'all. Alright, I'm about to get to it, y'all. I'm ready to eat. I've been hungry. I've been hungry for the Camaro, but I'm hungry to eat.
No, you should. Riding in the new whip, man. We in the stain. Or we ain't in the stain no more. We in the mirror. We in the mirror, man. We out in Nashville, man. What it look like out here, man. Headed back to Memphis, y'all. BB World, BB Found. We did it. We did it.
Looking for the one, you looking at the one. I'm the best, can't get my best yet to come. Cause I've been looking for somebody that just
My wife made her first major purchase. She did it!
oh my God. She hit me up all day and no response. Blow my mind, that's like turning gold to bronze. Roll my eyes, and when she on the mountain, she was happy. She think we call him Bonnie, but
Got helicopters flying out here, bro. Gorilla going on out here, man. Who they looking for? Who they looking for? Forty West to the right. So you're going right here. Damn, boy, downtown Nashville look dope, y'all. My first time seeing downtown Nashville, man. We ain't really go through that because we gotta get back home. The radio station alright out here, man. 101. You alright with me, man. 101, man. You are alright with me, dog. I can't even. Oh, there we go. But yeah, that joint look dope, man. Downtown Nashville. That joint looks so dope. Yeah, that's what's up, man. So we headed to the house, y'all.
Song number 4, man. I'm the one. DJ Khaled, Justin Bieber, Quavo, Chance the Rapper, and yes, I want you to have all of those people to win these National Insurance tickets. Let's keep it rolling, man. This is song number 3. Lil Uzi Vert.
We out, man.
Let's
We're
go.
gonna keep vibing, keep jamming. And we're gonna enjoy this 3-hour ride in our new whip, man. Like that smash button. Smash that like button. Like that smash button. Hey, if y'all like that smashing right now, hit that like button, yo. Hey, but anyway, man, you know what I mean? Like always, man, subscribe. Tell everybody about us, man. And we're gonna continue to inspire, man. We're gonna inspire y'all to inspire us. So hit us up in the comments, man. Let us know what y'all want us to do, man. Cause really we going off the fly. We just living life. You know what I mean? So that's what it do, man. Y'all be blessed out there, man. Y'all be safe. Y'all stay motivated, man. That's what it's all about. Being young and motivated, baby. Taking over the world, baby. That's what we doing. They not ready for us, man. But that's what it do, man. We love y'all. We out.
Slow it down.
Just
Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down for me. Slow it down for me. Slow it down for me. Slow it down for me.